Hi everyone, now we are here in Kyrgyzstan. My name is Asel Mubay. I'm here to show you our beautiful waterfall here on the south of our Issyk-Kul lake. This is the Barstown village. So we are here in the we did hiking. So we came to the waterfall. You can see our beautiful nature, our beautiful trees and mountains. So we're here to show you some parts of our country. Hi, so my name is Aisha. I'm a journalist and professional communication manager. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. If you're interested in our nature, in our country, in our city, Bishkek, you can join me and please give me your likes. Bye. So this is our location. You can see many tourists here and our beautiful Kyrgyz horses, mini buses. All people they came here to do hiking. You can see this amazing our Kyrgyz nature. I just want to share with you how our local tourism is ecological and sustainable. So we are trying to meet people from different countries of the world, especially they are citizens of European countries, citizens of the United States, of our Central Asian countries. They come to us to see beautiful landscapes, and we provide transport, buses and minibuses, and the air of our Kyrgyz locations is unique. You should come and feel it by yourself.